Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to make a real quick like little pouch bag with your serger, and you can complete it everything with your serger. So first we're going to have our fabric. It's about 10 and a half by 16, and I have my lining and I have some batting under it, so I mean between it. So we have our zipper, and I've marked where our zipper. Okay guys, I just went on and closed my zipper, and I want to leave a little piece of fabric because I don't want it to stitch in between the teeth, the zipper teeth. So we're going to be real careful. I use this color so that you can see very well. So, and you may try to test it a little bit to see that our zipper teeth did not get stitched in. So we're going to, I want to open it, then we're going to turn this other side just like this. So let me close it. We're going to just flip it like this, and we just want to put it where we marked our zipper. All right, so we're going to just put it there, lay it down, leave a little bit that we're going to cut off, and continue. So all right, so let me test this one too. Yeah, this one is nice, it's good too. So what we're going to do, we are going to open it all the way through, and what we are going to do, we want to bring this a little bit down, like 1 inch. Do you see the tab? A little bit, like 1 inch. Just like this, guys. Do you see this? Hope you can see what I'm telling you. Let me see. And if you want, you can give this a top stitch here so that it can look good. All right, I'm not going to go all the way to top stitch all the way where the zipper will be, so I'm going to go a little bit, like 1 inch after, like one inch from the I don't know how to call it, 1 inch from there, and I'm going to the reason I top stitch, because my batching is a little bit thick, and it's not like it's disturbing me to stay down like this. So when I top stitched, you see how it's laying flat. So I'm going to go ahead and top stitch this one too in the center, and this side can be open. So we're going to just make these meet together, and we are going to just sew all the way down. So my batting is a little bit thick. Fix my thread here. Alright guys, so you're going to just go through the zipper. Don't even worry about it. Alright, so this is one side. Alright, so guys, let's go for this side too. Alright, so I finished the other side. I'm going to take off this zipper, the pins. And this is our bag. We're going to flip it. Don't worry about these. So just get something to push out these. And you may try like to go for matching thread colors. I just use this one so guys you can be able to see. So this is, and this thing is really thick, so I'm going to give it a press, and this is it. You may use these when you're traveling to put in your makeup or give them out as gifts and what. And this is where we top stitched, guys. Do you see? So you may even want to, so this is really thick, you may want to, before like you do this, you may want to it's an optional, if you want to quilt your piece so that you can quilt it and it looks like a quilted bag. And next time I'm going to show you how to do these ones, this and this one. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share my video for more. Thank you.